Hello, hello, hello. Today we're gonna talk about how to stay purpose doing something activating. And now, when we talk about purpose, we need to answer for the question why, like why you are doing something. A method is the way of doing something, and it answers the question how. Well, take a look at these sentences below, not below, well, above me, but over there. And what you need to do, you need to find the parts of the sentences that answer questions why or how, and highlight or underline or just write it down. Okay, so what you can do, you can pause the video and find these parts that answer these questions. All right, pause the video and we'll discuss it very, very soon. All right. Alrighty, hopefully you have done that. Hopefully you have pressed the pause and found which parts of these sentences answer questions why and how. Let's look at the first sentence. We were asked to answer the questions using the prompts. So, using the prompts, which question does it answer, why or how? Of course, it's how, yeah? How you are supposed to answer questions using the prompts, yeah? Number two, I go to the university to study. So to study answers the question, why? Yeah, why do you go to the university? To study. I use this pen for highlighting the most important information. So, what's the question? Why? Why do you use this pen? I use this pen for highlighting the most important information, right? Next one, it's good to make a to-do list by choosing the most important tasks first. By choosing the most important, the question, how? Yeah, how are you going to make the to-do list? By choosing the most important tasks first. And last one, he replied to my invitation for lunch without hesitation. So actually we have two things here. So for lunch answers the question why, yeah, like why did he give me an invitation? And without hesitation, how did he reply? So what can we see here? I'll just move my face over here. And when we talk about the purpose, when we talk about why something happens or something is done, we use the following structures, either to plus verb without any endings, without anything, like to study, right? Or for verb plus ing on or a noun, like for highlighting, yeah, for lunch. Or in order to verb. Well, actually, we don't have here an example for that, but you can, well, to study and in order to study means the same thing. You can say, I go to the university in order to study, and you will sound very smart if you say so. But the meaning is the same. It's the purpose, why something is happening. When we talk about the way something is done, the method, yeah, how something is done, we use these kind of structures. You can say using noun, yeah, using something. For example, I'm writing on the board using a marker. Yeah, maybe it doesn't sound very English, but oh my. Or by verb plus ing. Yeah, by choosing, or there. Example number 4. By choosing blah 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 blah. Also, you can say something without blah blah, or without verb plus ing or noun, right? Yeah, so that's basically it. That's the difference between purpose and the method. And be careful with the verb forms and what goes after prepositions. For example, if you have noticed after for or by or without, we usually, well, not usually, often, all the time actually use a verb plus ing or a noun. We cannot say by verb, yeah? We cannot say by choose or for highlight. No, no, no. There should be a verb plus ing or a noun after a preposition. But after to, in this case, to is not a preposition here. It's a part of the infinitive, to study, okay? Or in order to study, well, similar construction kind of thing, we need a verb, right? When we talk about a purpose, we don't say to studying. Nope, nope. Just to study, to plus verb, bare infinitive without any endings. Well, hope you got it. And please do the exercises on Moodle and ask your teacher questions if you don't get it.